Please like, share, and subscribe if you want to watch more videos from us. Thanks for watching.
Basic form. Basic personal information. Basic form. Basic personal information. Full name. Full name. What's your full name? What's your full name? First name. Given name. First name. Given name. What's your first name? What's your first name? What's your given name? What's your given name? Last name. Family name. Surname. Last name. Family name. Surname. What's your last name? What's your last name? What's your family name? What's your family name? What's your surname? What's your surname? Date of birth. Date of birth. What's your date of birth? What's your date of birth? Country. Country. Where are you from? Where are you from? Nationality. Nationality. What is your nationality? What is your nationality? Language. Language. What language do you speak at home? What language do you speak at home? Age. Age. How old are you? How old are you? Gender. Sex. Gender. Sex. Are you male or female? Are you male or female? Marital status. Marital status. Single. Married. Separated. Divorced. Widowed. Single. Married. Separated. Divorced. Widowed. Are you married? Are you married? Address. Address. Where do you live? Where do you live? House number. Street name. House number. Street name. What's your house number and street name? What's your house number and street name? Suburb. State. Postcode. Suburb. State. Postcode. What suburb do you live in? What suburb do you live in? What state do you live in? What state do you live in? What's your postcode? What's your postcode? Contact details. Contact details. Home phone. Landline. Phone number. Home phone. Landline. Phone number. What's your home phone number? What's your home phone number? Mobile number. Cell phone number. Mobile number. Cell phone number. What's your mobile number? What's your mobile number? Email. Email. What's your email address? What's your email address? Postal address. Residential address. Postal address. Residential address. Emergency contact. Emergency contact. Who is your emergency contact? Who is your emergency contact? Relationship. Relationship. What's your relationship? What's your relationship? Husband. Wife. Spouse. Husband. Wife. Spouse. Son. Daughter. Son. Daughter. Brother. Sister. Siblings. Brother. Sister. Siblings. Friends. Cousins. Friends. Cousins. Education. Education. What's your education level? What's your education level? Occupation. Occupation. What's your job? What's your job? Hobbies. Hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time?